344. Woo! Welcome.
You got the door?
Yep.
All right.
Let's see.
They did this at Chattanooga, the Sleep Well stuff. It's the lavender balm that you put on your wrist. Yeah.
Fancy lotion. And it has a hair dryer, more towels. Look at the fancy robe. Look at this. They got shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and a nice rain shower head. Coffee machine with coffee, some cups, your sugars and cream, and it's got put all your leftovers in, but no microwave. Spacious closet. It's got iron too. Ironing board. If you had smell-o-vision, it smells like the land at Epcot. But here's
Let me
the
see
gym.
if I can log in.
Tanya, where are you going to be this morning or tomorrow morning?
Oh, right here.
They got Pelotons. They got Life Fit treadmills. What do they have?
They have a kettlebell, like,
Workout?
yeah. So
Dude, you can do your Peloton and your weight training.
I know.
And it comes with towels.
Those are cool. Look at those. Sewer water? I'm just kidding.
Cold water is on tap today.
Cold towels in the cooler?
Cold towels in the cooler. That is so cool. Swimming at the Detroit airport with a view of planes. Front desk is right over here, and TSA, you can come here if you just have carry-on, or you can check in, and this will get you to the Delta concourse. Got a nice little store. Some snacks, and then it's a self-checkout, or you can go get service. I'll get you to. A nice bar.